Imagine a world within you, a world so intricate and complex that it holds the key to your health. This world is your DNA. Much like an architect's blueprint, DNA serves as your body's instruction manual, directing how each part of your body functions, regenerates, and shields itself. Picture your DNA as a grand orchestra, with each musician playing a vital role. When every instrument, or in this case every gene, is in harmony, the concert of life is a masterpiece. But if even one musician is out of tune, it can affect the entire performance. That's why maintaining the integrity and stability of your DNA is so crucial. It's not just about survival, it's about thriving, about living life to its fullest. So if you're wondering where good health truly starts, it starts at the DNA level. But how can we ensure our DNA works effectively? The answer lies in the essential molecules such as nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids. These molecules are the unsung heroes of our biology, playing a crucial role in maintaining the integrity and stability of our DNA. You see, nucleotides are the building blocks of DNA, ensuring its structure is sound and secure. Meanwhile, oligopeptides, small proteins if you will, play a significant part in our immune response, helping to fend off invaders that threaten our health. And let's not forget amino acids, the versatile molecules that not only aid in the production of proteins, but also enhance our body's regenerative capabilities. These molecules work together, a harmonious symphony if you like, to keep our DNA in tip-top shape. By nourishing our body with these essential molecules, we're essentially fueling the engine that drives our health, our DNA. To get more valuable content on DNA health and its power, remember to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to get updated. Now you may ask, where can we get these essential molecules? Let me take you through a journey of imuregan and fulvic minerals. Envision imuregan as a vast warehouse, brimmed with all the indispensable molecules your DNA requires for effective functioning. It supplies the nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids that uphold the integrity and stability of your DNA. Then, we have fulvic minerals. They perform a crucial role, quite similar to an industrious garbage collector. They clear away the waste materials created from your body's biological processes, but their role doesn't stop there. Fulvic minerals also enhance the absorption of nutrients, task that gains more relevance we advance in life. With imuregan and fulvic minerals, you're not just nurturing your health, you're caring for the very essence of your being, your DNA. To explore these two influential products that contribute to your overall well-being, I invite you to try imuregan glucan and fulvic minerals. You can do so checking the links in the description box to purchase online. So stay tuned and let's dig deeper into these power-packed products.
Are you feeling constantly tired and run down? Battling frequent illnesses and feeling vulnerable? Do you long for a stronger immune system to keep you energized and protected? This could be you, unless you discover the powerful synergy of imuregan and beta-glucan 1316. Imagine waking up feeling vibrant and energized, ready to conquer your day. Picture yourself enjoying life without the fear of illness holding you back. Envision a stronger, healthier you ready to thrive. This is the power that awaits you within imuregan and beta-glucan 1316. Imuregan Glucan Plus is exclusively distributed globally by Forever Healthy Products. Learn how imuregan and beta-glucan 1316 work together to boost immune system function, increase energy levels, reduce stress and anxiety, promote overall well-being. This is your chance to take control of your health and unlock a life of vitality.
Introducing Forever Healthy LLC's Fulvic Mineral, a revolutionary product that contains highly absorbable, electrically charged ionic minerals. Sourced from an ancient black plant powder untainted by man for 10,000 years and not yet fossilized, which is found from the volcanic ashes of southern Utah. These minerals have electromagnetic properties that allows them to attract vitamins, fatty acids, amino acids, water, and oxygen. These elements are called polyelectrolytes, which is a string of atoms made of water-soluble electrically active mineral chains called fulvic minerals. It supplies the complete spectrum of essential and trace minerals, plus electrolytes to help your body work better. Trace minerals and electrolytes are important for proper hydration, absorption of nutrients, energy, detoxification of toxins and heavy metals, plus a better skin hydration. Fulvic minerals play an important role in promoting immunity, digestion, cardiovascular health, liver health, help cells to produce energy, help reduce appetite and initiate weight loss, plus helps the skin to maintain youth, smooth and hydrated. Although fruits and minerals are good sources of these minerals, the poor soil condition we now have due to soil pollution and over-farming, these food now lacks the minerals and nutrition it used to have. Thus, it is important to add 10 drops of fulvic minerals into your daily diet. Forever Healthy LLC's fulvic minerals contain 72 trace minerals and 16 amino acids and electrolytes. The highly absorbable 72 minerals and electrolytes it contains can give you what your body needs to function at its best. And do not forget that fulvic minerals can also help you maintain the youth, smoothness, and hydrated skin you have always worked hard for to keep